Hello, we some humans. Thrilled you're part of the crew. As seen in this clip, we have this sequence 8, 11, 14, and our goal is to get the 5th term. Today I am showing you two methods to solve this problem. The first method is called the manual method. This method is perfect for short arithmetic sequences. Look at the problem. Since each term increases by 3 from the previous one, this 3 is called the common difference. The first term in the arithmetic sequence is equal to 8, and we can get the second term by adding 3 to the first term. So the second term is equal to 8 plus 3, which equals 11. And we can get the third term by adding 3 to the second term, 11 plus 3, which equals 14. And so on. We can get the fourth term by adding 3 to the third term. So the fourth term is equal to 14 plus 3, which equals 17. And the fifth term is equal to 17 plus 3, which equals 20. By the same method, we can get the sixth term, which equals to 20 plus 3, which equals 23. And the seventh term is equal to 23 plus 3, which equals 26. And in our problem, the required term is the 5th term, which equals 20. And this was the manual method solution for this problem. Now, our time to solve the problem by using the formula method. In this method, we use the formula an equals a plus n minus 1 times d, where a is the first term and d is the common difference and n is the required term. From our problem, the first term a equals 8 and the common difference d equals 3 and the required term n equals 5. We substitute into the formula by the values of a, d, and n, and we get that a 5 equals 8 plus 5 minus 1 times 3, which equals 8 plus 4 times 3, which equals 20. And this was the solution by using the formula method. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the fun.